Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2003 Saturn LS 300. Stock number is A6236A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels, and those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. Then swing around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Saturn on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.